stop wasting money on random dropshipping products. Here is how most dropshippers make use of TikTok to find 10 to 20 winning products daily, making use of TikTok. And here is how you can do it. If you are planning to start e-commerce dropshipping business, you can make use of this method to find trendy products you can sell as a dropshipper. Head over to your TikTok account and go to the search bar and search with hashtag TikTok make me buy it. So when you make use of this hashtag, any post of any product that has over 10 to 20k or any product, go to the comment section. If they are saying how can I get this product, that is high probability that that product is trending. And you can also filter by weekly or monthly or by 3 months. Any product that is trending past 3 months, past 4 months, you can make use of that filter hashtag there, the 3 button there, to filter it and see products that are trading past 3 months or 4 months. And you can also make use of this hashtag Amazon Find to find trendy products. Then you can head over to AliExpress or CG Dropshipping to look for this product. And also we can check the price tag, how much they are selling it, the products they posted on this with this hashtag. If the product is selling for $16, they are probably selling that product for $16 to check the competitors' price as well, so that when you start selling, the price will not be different from other products that are trending. Then also you can also make use of this hashtag if you want to start selling problem solving products. So if you are watching me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe for more dropshipping tips like this. Hashtag problem solving products. So when you make use of this hashtag problem solving products, you are going to see products that are solving problem, products that are solving problem. Then every product that has 100k, 10 to 50k, as I said, then you can go to AliExpress or any dropshipping platform you can make use of, import these products, and you can make use of TikTok to promote these products, or make use of any social media platform you want to make use of to promote these products and start making money with dropshipping. So here's how most smart dropshippers make use of TikTok to find trendy products. So if you are a beginner, you can make use of this method to find trendy products to sell in your Shopify. If you are not making sales, you can also make use of this method right now to find trendy products to import your Shopify and start selling it, or any e-commerce platform you are making use of to sell your dropshipping products. So I wish you the best. If you are watching for the first time, don't forget to subscribe for more dropshipping tips and marketing tips.